Finally, Samsung has given a hint that highly anticipated folding Galaxy X could debut next month. The official unleashing might happen at the Samsung's developer conference slated for November 11. In a recent tweet on the official handle, Samsung has published a video teasing Samsung's developer conference, depicting a two lines unfolding to become right-facing arrow and then converging into a single vertical line. It directly shows the nature of a foldable device which can be folded into these shapes. We might be wrong, but most probably it looks like a teaser for both of the foldable smartphone and the Samsung's developer conference. The animation resembles the unfolding of a foldable design. Even if we check the slogan of this year's SDC, then the crossroads between the present and the future can directly be matched with a foldable device. Well, it is not for the first time that we are getting these kinds of teasers. Even DJ Kho some time ago said in an interview that the device is coming by the end of this year. Those who are waiting for the Samsung's foldable device get ready for the burn in pockets, as well as it will heftily priced. As per the recent reports, it's believed to be available for the price of $1,800. Samsung has delayed the foldable device launch various times to make it useful along with the flexible design aspect. Similarly, LG and Huawei are also developing a foldable device which will be useful rather than just being foldable. What do you think? You can let us know your thoughts about the expectations that you have regarding the Samsung Galaxy X foldable smartphone by comments below. And yeah, peace out.